জীবনার। Hello friends, welcome once again. Friends, it's been raining for many days now. Because of what? Our school and also the other schools are closed. But today I am out in the rain to show you the places or sites around Kalgachia, to show you the conditions of water or rain. Let's go and have the experience of water with me! Friends, can you guess where I am? I am on the top of Radiance Academy building, and that is the backyard of Radiance Academy, Kalgachia. So that was the backyard of Radiance Academy, Kalgachia. Isn't it water and water everywhere? Let's move to our next location, that is Beki Bridge. This place is nearby Beki Bridge in the village of Udmari and also very near to Bamuntari Chowk. Here also there is water and water everywhere because of the rain and also the river Beki. You can see here the helpless condition of human beings in the hands of nature. The homes are almost submerged in the water, and the people are forced to leave their homes and live on the roadside along with their animals. Now I am standing on the Beki Bridge. On my back, you can see the terrifying look or the terrifying nature of Beki. Let me show you the river Beki all around. Rahman College of Education, Udmari. And on the other side of the road, the water you can see is from the river Beki. This is another side of Kalgachia, that is east side, and the village is Kharballi. The water is passing across the road and the people are walking dangerously. This is it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.